Hey guys, really excited to announce my brand new class at Yoga in the Lanes on Wednesdays at 6:30 p.m. Dynamic Hatha, Strength and Stillness, really cool class. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Christian. I've been teaching yoga in the Brighton and Hove area for a little while now. I found yoga when traveling in Southeast Asia after a bit of a corporate burnout, and it's really stuck with me ever since and been a grounding force in my life. Now, what can you expect from my class? For me, yoga offers a way to move that allows us to tune into ourselves a bit differently. Through slow and considered movement, our awareness shifts to what is actually here, in front of us, in this present moment. And so, in my class, you can expect strength work that allows us to hold the asanas for longer. You can expect balance work that allows us to tune into our center of gravity and the way we hold ourselves. And all of this is intended to allow us to delve even deeper into our poses. You can also expect slow flows to allow us to fully express the pose and see whatever comes up to us in that given moment. And I also bake in the Ayurvedic elemental system into my class, theming each week to a different element and driving the asanas and movement through that. So expect strength, stillness, movement, meditation in abundance. I hope you guys can join me. My link is in my bio. If you need any questions answered or if you want to understand anything else about it, just reach out and I'm happy to accommodate.